Welcome back everyone. Now I'll start doing it. You just observe. Like load the colors and then leave little gap and do it according to your wish. Like here and there I'm using because I want other colors to be placed in the center. With little darker color you can just give the wrapping effect so that you'll have a shaded effect of the impasto. Am I audible and visible? Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Same way, like with orange, I am doing it. Okay. Have textured effect.
Ma'am, can you zoom the work, ma'am?
What, ma'am?
Can you zoom the work?
You want me to zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
Chatu. I'm sorry, ma. I couldn't do that now. You just observe, no, like you can see it in the YouTube, okay? I'll be uploading it. If you want, you can see it in that YouTube. Here, now and then, like I'm applying the darker shade of the orange. Very closely, you can color all the things. If you want something to be like a tulip, you can do it like that also. Now I'm using yellow, okay? For yellow, I'm giving only the top strokes alone. I just want to show everything to you. That's why all the techniques I want to show you. And in yellow, a little bit of orange I'm adding to give a great effect, okay? Then some flowers with a blue. Like that woman is carrying a bouquet. Okay? If you are using a bigger palette knife, then it will be somewhat bigger you will get. Okay? With blue, if you want to add little of white also, you can do it. Or darker blue, you can give it as a shade. This is somewhat elaborate work only, but the effect will be very nice. Okay? And red, I'm starting with. I'm making somewhat smaller strokes in red to show that it is a tiny glass. Whole of the place you just fill it. Yes. Okay. I've done that, just I'll write the thing and I'll show you how to do the leaves. Leaves also I'm going to use the same knife. I'm doing it with lighter green. You just show that stripes also with the same thing. Like you can show it, she's holding it like that. Apply it in such a way that you give a nice effect. Like stripes and all is visible, okay? So you'll have a real effect. With little bit of neon and dark green also I'm going to do it. So that it will be little more good. Here I'm showing it like some leaves and all, it is spreading outside, okay? That's why I'm drawing. I'm drawing it here. Just to show that some leaves and all, it is coming out of the bouquet. This is going to be permanent, okay? You'll have a great effect. If you want, you can apply a spray varnish of it. On this, if you apply a spray varnish, then it will look great. Darker green I'm taking. Like I want little more color to be added. I'll add the color and I'll do it. Mix it nicely with that paste and then do it. If you want to have that texture effect, this should be done. Only then the impasto painting effect will be there. Stroke should be in such a way that it looks like leaf, okay? Or like twigs or something also you can show. Here in between also I am just giving the green color just to show it like leaves. Even with yellow you can do. Like she's holding a bigger bouquet. Okay, we have done this side. The other side also, if you want, you can do it here too. Now I don't want to waste time in showing the same thing that side. So I'll finish little more leaves here. Then you can start coloring for the girl. With white or something, you can show the inner part. And because we have used the yellow, I think better we can use white to show the pollens or something like that. Even if you want some contrast color to be seen, then you can do that. Then with multicolors, I can show you some ferns in it. Whichever color you want, you can take and show that some ferns or something like that is also lying with that bouquet. Just dab it and take, bring it to a pointed effect. With darker colors, you can do it. We should be able to correct the mistakes what we are doing it, okay? Next ones only I'm doing. Just I'm going to finish up this color. That's it. This after some time it is going to dry. Instead of yellow, I want to highlight. I'll do the highlighting. Want to learn impasto also, you can just tell me. I'll tell you how to do the proper method. I'll tell you, okay? How to do, like in canvas, you can start it and then you can do it in the wall. Till now, I think I have not shown you how to do the impasto. If you want to do it with little more darker green also, you can do it. It will look really nice. Since the bottles are so big like this, you can't handle it with the bottle. Okay, that's why I'm taking it in a palette and I'm doing it. Just to have the color, darker color, I've taken the darkest green, and in this area, you have to show the darkness and depth should be shown. See, you'll have a beautiful effect. After adding this darker tone, which gives the depth. I thought in each part I can show you some technique. That's why this portion, like bouquet, I thought of showing you this impasto effect. Okay, this is what the impasto effect I have given you. I've shown nicely, I think. Better give your feedbacks, okay? Only then by any way, if I have to improve, I can tell you, or added message if I want to give, I can give you. Like with huge bouquet she's standing, okay? Which will make our life also colorful, okay? Have hopes like that. Fill all the spaces, it is the scene. and near to her neck area and all, try to give this darker green so that the depth will be seen nicely. Okay, I've made it. Now I'll show you how to color the girl.
Ma'am, can you show it closer?
Yeah, 1 second, ma. 1 second. Actually, here no one is there to help me. That is the problem. Can you see? Is this okay? Shall we continue? Yeah, I think it is okay, isn't it? Is it focused properly? I'm going to do it here. The painting for the head. For that I'm going to apply burnt sienna. No, dark brown I'm going to apply. And on that we can apply the yellow and the other colors, okay? See, now did you see the colors filled? You have to avoid that only. I'm asking you to have some newspaper or rough cloth or anything underneath. This while applying it itself, it will start drying, okay? I'm going to color this head knot alone, okay? Head part I'm doing it. Strokes is very important. The side, which side we are doing, that stroke is very important. I'm touching little yellow. I'm just doing the shading part. This has to be done immediately. Otherwise, being acrylic color, it will dry fast. Okay. This is what the thing I have done. Then the later part here also I need to do it with. Stroke, brush strokes is very important, which has to be done nicely. Use some proper nice brushes, flat brushes, according to the size needed for you. Okay, little bit of yellow I'm touching just for shading. The black also you have to do it. Now I'll touch black, so that top part and the bottom part I'll be doing. Like head, not like thing she has put. See that you don't touch so much of water, okay? Very lightly I've touched black color and then showing you the strokes. Has to be done like this. Then bottom part also you just do it like this. The thing is, when you're doing it on the wall, it dries very fast. Immediately it will dry. So that before it dries, you have to show all the shadings, everything should be done. Immediately you have to bring it. See, with dry brush, I am just making the strokes. Now we have got the beautiful effect of her hair.
Superman.
Yes, any doubt? Hair part is completed. Now I'm going to start with this knot on the skin color. Before doing the knot, I'll start with the skin color. Skin color can be brought by using little of crimson, yellow with white, and that is the color. Okay, with that you can do the color. If you want, you can show it like a silhouette effect also. That also it will look well. It will be nice only. But myself, I don't want to have a silhouette effect. That's why I'm using skin color. Okay. Skin color with little of burnt sienna. Here we will not be able to touch anything. Water and all you can't touch. With burnt sienna, you can give the shades. If color comes like this and all, leave for some time, then start doing it. Then you will be able to do it properly. Use thinner brush over this area. Don't touch more water. Otherwise, it will start flowing. Be careful while coloring this area. Just because it is not dry, I am facing difficulty. When you are doing, see that you are taking enough time and then you do it. Direction of the strokes is very, very important, okay? Because the color also dries very fast. It is better use a proper direction of the strokes is very important. If the flow of the paint is not good, then touch little water alone, then you can do it. Then you will get a flush tone. Yes, after doing this flush tone, no, I'm touching little of burnt sienna or brown you can touch. According to the proportion of the color, touch the color, okay? Before the color dries, you need to keep the shade. If you feel that it is it has dried, then touch little water, okay? Once again. Be careful while coloring the other area, okay? Now I'll show the ribbon knot over here. Whichever color we want, we can do it. Better, I think I have not used violet or mauve color, so I'm going to use that. You bring a nice thing like this, and in like in one stroke painting, you do know like that you make the knot. For that, you have to take more color. Only then you will get it. And from there, neatly you do the. Okay, this back side part we have completed. The same color I am going to spread for the whole of the dress. And later on that, if you want, you can use anything like stencils or any other contrast colors can be made. Be very careful not to go beyond the boundary what we have marked. That is very important. Here we are not having any masking tape or something like that. So do the coloring accordingly. Even you can sponge the thing. After doing the boundary outline, you can even sponge inside. Sponging can be done so that you will have a great effect. Texture effect will be seen in the dress. Just because all other colors are used in the flower, I thought it will be good to use purple or violet or something like that for the dress. Direction of the stroke, let it be vertical only, okay? If you want to give any other color shading with this, you have to give immediately before the color dries. I'll be doing it with white later. Evenly I'll apply the color and then with white color I'll be doing the only for doing the topography I've made this. Okay, like showing like some of the musical notes and all, no, that symbol I have made, I'm going to make there. Since because it is wall, you will be using more color only, so that only I told you, you need to have 100 ml bottles. One coating I am giving it with brush, then I'll be doing the sponging method. If you want, you can use some metallic colors too on this. This is something totally new workshop idea, I think. Now it is in a trend. Actually, it is not trend now. They have made it a trend. Having so many contests and other things, you know, they made it a trend. Yeah, to certain extent, I've completed coloring this. Actually, we are running out of time. Huh? If you go out of the link, you can join again with the same link. Okay? With thin brush, I'm going to give detail. With this part, I want to make it more brighter. Just with If acrylic color, one of the thing is it is easy for us to do the correction also because it would have dried earlier itself. So it is easy for us to do the correction. Few minutes. Just make it darker. That's all. Then with white, I'm going to show the shading. Okay, like if you want, you can add something like a hip knot or something like that. And from there, you can show the strokes. Any tiny designs and all, if you want, you can add to this. I think it is interesting only, everyone are following it. Dry strokes of white I have given. See that you don't remove the color from the wall. Okay. Now I'll focus this bottom area, like how I'm going to do the bushes here. I'll show you with brush strokes, with one stroke painting. I'll show you the thing. Just make a image. Is it visible? Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. See, with dark green, I have given the strokes. I'm touching a little of white, yellow, and doing on it. Just to have some shaded effect. If you want, you can add some ladybug or something sitting here. That also I can show you now. Take little crimson. And black is enough. Black and white is enough. I'll show you something like ladybug. Okay. Then for the head portion, you can add little black. And spots also, you can just show it in black. Okay. For spots, I'm using this back of the brush. Just touch black color and place dots over this. These type of things, it can be done near switchboards, which is very easy. This part alone, you can do it. Okay. And with white, you can do the spot for the eyes. The white, what I took, it got over. For eyes, you make it very small. Okay, this way we have completed this portion. If you want, I'll show you the small branch over the top area. For that, I'm taking little of brown color, and I've got black with me earlier itself. Adjust your stool according to that and do it. Since because we did the sponging work, I was not able to do this part.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you have to
I'm not
focus.
focusing it. Okay, one second. Is it visible? The top part, what I have drawn.
Yeah.
Like tiny branches I'm drawing. Shading can be done either with black or with yellow. First, I'm going to do it with yellow and then with most of the people, they do only with black and show these things. I just want you to have some special effects on attending my class. That's why I'm showing you how to do the shading for this. Okay, I've done that. And with little of black, one side, other side of the branch, I'm doing it with black. This part alone, even you can do and submit, okay? Just do it in any one area and just explore, okay? There I'll show you how to do the one stroke, okay? I'm taking somewhat lesser size brush. It is number 5 I have taken. I'll show you with pink, okay? The color is not dried, it is difficult. Like I'm making the stroke itself. A few minutes, let it dry. Till then, we'll be doing the other parts. I'll do this topographic effect. Okay? For that, I'm going to take black color. Don't touch too much of water.